Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to schedule Nutanix certification exam with PSI. So in previous video, we have already seen about the how to request for the voucher code and we got the voucher code and now we'll going for the next step, that is the schedule for the Nutanix certification exam. So I'll show you the step-by-step process for the certification exam. So in this video, you will learn the complete step-by-step process to get a 100% free Nutanix certification voucher worth is $99 to $199. I'll show you everything and successfully schedule your Nutanix exam using the PSI absolutely free. So if you are preparing for the Nutanix certification, don't want to pay exam fees, then this tutorial is for you. So you will learn in this video how to log in into the Nutanix University, how to request a free Nutanix exam voucher. Already we have did regarding video regarding this step and voucher approval, email confirmation process, how to schedule Nutanix certification exam with PSI, online, remote or test center via option, and applying voucher code and booking exam for $0 and system check, exam rules and protecting tips. So, who should watch this video? Beginner starting Nutanix certifications, IT professional, cloud engineers, student looking for the free certification opportunities, anyone preparing for the Nutanix exams via PSI. Why this matter? This is the 100% free certification. Exam value per exam value is $99 to $299. Globally recognized Nutanix credential. Boost your resume and LinkedIn profile. Useful link Nutanix University, and this is the link. We'll go through this link, and PSI link is this one. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the more free certification guide, and comment if you face any issue. I will help you. So copy this URL and let me open this. So this is the university Nutanix University page, and we'll go to the click login option. So sign in your with your my Nutanix SSO credential. So my Nutanix is there side, and we are going for the single sign on. So click there, put your email address. So I'm using this email address. Continue. Password. If you are in the new user, then go with the sign up option. So already we did it with the previous video. So now I'm going with the next part. Means already I have shown you the sign up and other options. So this is the page, my to Nutanix, and I want to open the university. So let me open the university in side by side. Okay, click here. Already we have logged in. This coming to the university. So you can see the URL and go to my certifications. Just let it complete. My certifications. And already we have requested the voucher. So here you can see I have requested voucher for this one AWS 6, Azure 6. My voucher code is already used, so it won't work for you. So just use your. So like that, this here we are able to see the end user computing. So this is the voucher code. Let me copy the voucher code, and there is a previously there is an option request voucher. If you click the request voucher, they are providing the voucher and they will send you the email just like any of the email. So the ECU, and here I'm seeing this, yeah, EUC. So double J D. So if you click on this, you can able to see the voucher list here. Okay, EUC and user. So this one, I'm talking about this voucher. So this voucher is this one, and here click on the schedule. So PSI, this is test trackers. So here go to the schedule and new booking. So don't put the voucher here. We are going for the end user. So there is a end user computing. You see is there. So click this one. So this page is there. There you will get until the 6/9/2026. Just eligible this track exam until this is the date. Okay. So click on the continue booking. The price of this one $199. So that's why I told you $99 to $299. So select your language, English, and just click on continue. And there is a online protected live test requirement. So just check both the text boxes, and there is some term and condition and system requirement is there. Exam seating must be in the private space, not the open public area. Must remain your workspace area. Desk and must remain, and workplace must be in lit face cutter and clean. This matlab means that you are not you going to use anything, and they will just check everything with the uh, proctorate. Okay, means video will be recorded while exam. So now click on the next. Here you will get your name and your email address, and click on next. Mobile number, you can put your mobile number, send code and verify. Later on you can do it. So I'm just skip the verification. So click yes, skip. There is a ID. You have to upload your identification. These are the valid IDs. Okay. So ID name, then you can upload your just like DL, transport, state ID, military ID, and other. So now skip ID and capture. So there is a country name, India, and your time. So find when you want to give the exam, just go with the calendar. Just I'm clicking on 24, 12-hour format or 24-hour format. You can go as per your requirement. So on this day, I'm going for the 11:30 approx. Okay, just book this slot. Click there. Billing details and voucher coupon details you have to put here and click on apply. So this will become discount voucher become dollar of 199 USD. Okay, minus 199 USD. So now your total price will be $0 USD. Click on continue, and this is a final page. You can get all the details and billing information, your voucher detail, and just click there, and there is a $0 USD. So click on purchase. And if you go through the yes and go through the no as per your requirement, so this is the page. Finally, we have generated the exam. So this is a March of 28, and there is a 11:30 p.m. 120 minutes, and there is a confirmation details are there. Okay, so voucher code I'm using this one. And here one more thing, when you schedule your exam, you will get a mail. So click there and check this. You will get a mail March 28, 2026, 11:30 p.m. and 120 minutes. So all the details you will get here. Okay. So this is the process where we have scheduled the exam step by step process. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owner. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow and support YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment. I will reply personally. And don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.